Ripple's and Coinbase's top lawyers meet to discuss crypto landscape. Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. I wish you a wonderful day. Let's get started with today's blog. Leading legal figures from Ripple and Coinbase engage in a conversation about the challenges and future of cryptocurrency regulation. The legal teams at Ripple and Coinbase, two prominent players in the cryptocurrency industry, recently convened for an off-site meeting to discuss the constantly evolving crypto landscape. Both companies are currently facing legal challenges from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, making this meeting particularly relevant. A meeting of legal minds. Stuart Alderoty, general counsel at Ripple, took the opportunity to express his appreciation for Paul Grewal, Coinbase's chief legal officer, who joined the meeting with Ripple's legal team. In return, Grewal expressed his gratitude for the invitation on Twitter and suggested that they hold more frequent meetings in the future. Navigating SEC challenges. Both Ripple and Coinbase are dealing with legal challenges from the SEC. In December 2020, Ripple was hit with a lawsuit alleging that the company conducted an unregistered securities offering by selling XRP tokens. The ongoing legal battle has garnered significant attention from the cryptocurrency community and raised questions about the regulatory framework governing digital assets. Coinbase, on the other hand, recently received a Wells notice from the SEC. Grewal shared a blog post last week outlining Coinbase's response to the notice. He emphasized that Coinbase has not listed securities and is seeking clear regulatory guidance from the SEC for future listings. Grewal also mentioned that while Coinbase is not eager to litigate against the SEC, it will defend itself and uphold the rule of law for everyone. XRP's future on Coinbase. Following the SEC lawsuit against Ripple, Coinbase delisted XRP, the cryptocurrency linked to Ripple. It remains unclear whether the XRP token will be relisted on America's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Conclusion. As Ripple and Coinbase navigate the complex legal landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies, their top lawyers' recent meeting highlights the importance of collaboration and dialogue in the industry. With both companies facing SEC scrutiny, these discussions may prove vital in shaping the future of cryptocurrency regulation. Source: You Today. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.